Hey everybody, it's Joe Duffy, and this video is for FFR. Okay, what we're going to do today is just to give you a little bit of a glimpse into what I'm doing for target zone trading subscribers. Very normally, we made money on the way up here, being long and being long here, and we're a little short here, by the way. But right now, we're going to go with a little bit different strategy and one I rarely use. So I'm going to go out on a limb here and tell you what we've done, and time will tell if it was the right thing or not. Normally, I would never ever look to be selling a move like this or picking the top, especially we're at new highs. This is the S&P 500. However, what I have is a lot of cycles that are all due basically this week. Basically, Monday was the kind of day, if I'm using daily charts, that I had honed in on. So we actually put some shorts on last Friday, which would have been the May 17th, and we'll get to those in a second. Not shorts on the S&P, but shorts in individual stocks, and we'll get to those in a second. So the cycle here is hopefully it's visually self-explanatory, but if we start back from where we are now and go back, we see a high right here. These don't have to be, every high doesn't have to be, or low doesn't have to be an absolute high or low, but you can see that was a swing high. Didn't get eclipsed for, quite some time. Here we have a low, same thing. Here we have a high. This one, you know, you have to sort of use your imagination here, but there was a little red bar here, and that was a low. Okay, just in a strong market is all that is. And we have a low here. Clearly, we have a high here. We have a low here and a high here. Now, this one cycle on its own would be interesting. Wouldn't be enough to get me off the couch, though. What we have right now going on is several cycles that are all very similar. Okay, so I've got a lot of these different cycles, at least three or four, all coming due at the same time. Okay, so that's gotten me, like I said, um, to venture out and take a position, sort of picking a top here. Now, I didn't pick a top here in uh, the index as much as I picked it in individual stocks. So what after I think, okay, the index is going down, I went, and again, this is last Friday, May the 17th, so things have moved a little bit since then. Um, let's go back to a daily chart here. Okay, so this is last Friday right up here in Las Vegas Sands, and let's even expand that a little bit further. So we're short the stock right in here. Okay, that's last Friday would be right this last green bar here. Okay, so we're short the stock right here. It's fallen since then, so it's down about $1.50 on the stock since we got in. So Las Vegas Sands is one of the stocks that. Let me just reset this here because it's kind of scrunchy for some reason. So yeah, so we're short right in here, 47 and change. And as I talk about this, it's 45 and 70 or so in there. Okay, so it's down about $1.50. The other stock is um, ARC. It's the innovation ETF. Now we go back, to the end of last week or right here. So it's also down marginally from where we got in. Not a whole lot, maybe $1. So I think both of these stocks have room to go. Now you can see just of note here too. Uh, just a little instructional. This markets remember where they've been, and you can see how important this green level has been here, here, and then we broke it up really strongly here, and resistance here. Tried to hold it here, and then broke it up really strongly again, held it again, and I think really, even though we've broken through it here, my inclination is to think that with the SPY S&P cycle that we're seeing, that it also wants to move lower. So I think breaking lower through here could take us down, for a test of these lows or a break of this little uptrend line here if we join those lows. Okay, so that's what we're doing for target zone. I think a lot of this is going to depend on NVIDIA's earnings on Wednesday evening, and this is recorded before those earnings are out. So um, if uh, the news fits the cycles, then they'll sell the news, good or bad, who knows? But if the news fits the cycle, they will sell the news. So uh, that's where we are here, and that's what we're doing for for target zone. Like I said, I've got LVS, which is Las Vegas Sands, and I've got ARC, which is the ARC Innovation ETF, and we're both, they're both a dollar, dollar and a half on side from last Friday or so. But I'm looking for lower prices in both of those as the month of May unfolds into the end here. Okay, guys, I will see. Time will tell if my analysis is correct or not. But I wanted to put it out there, and as I said, the market will let us know whether I was right or whether I was wrong. But in any case, you know what I'm doing, and you can judge yourself the reasons I did it. So if you want any more information, you're welcome to contact FFR, who have plenty of it. And if you have any questions, just send an email to them, and they will contact me, and I will do my best to help you out. Okay, thanks for listening, and good luck with your trading.